In this video, we're going to look at where there is a pension contribution from the employee. We looked in the other video at where there is a pension contribution. The employer is paying for a pension on behalf of a director. But in this instance, we have a contribution from the employee also. And we can see here Lola has €150 of a deduction. We need to create a pension control nominal for that. If we go look at SortMyBooks, go to Tools and Nominals, I put it in the payroll section. I go to payroll and I add a nominal there called pension control. Now you could add this, you could use one of these nominals, also rename it to pension control. If you have two pension companies, you might want to have two separate ones. And then the next thing we have to do is add that to our journal. And what we're going to do is add a new line to our journal, and we've got to credit pension control with the amount that Lola pays. So 150, and in the description I would put the employee's name, Lola pension contribution, or you know what, we don't need to do that. It could be EE pension contribution. So employee pension contribution, because of course you're going to have more than one. So EE pension contribution, click on save. Our journal now matches again. Let's see how that looks on our balance sheet. We're going to click on the accountant button, go to our nominal ledger reports and go to our balance sheet. I'm going to suppress 0 and I'm going to include subnominals up here. And what we can see, if we go down to current liabilities, pension control is the line we're looking at. We can see that there's 150 in there. That means we have a liability to pay that 150 to the pension company. Let's go to our bank now and we'll see where that is. So when you come to paying for that, so Irish Life, let's say, is your pension company, and we've got 150 here. How we're going to set up Irish Life as a supplier, we're going to go up here, purchases, suppliers, and we're going to add Irish Life. So I'm adding Irish Life, and they're a type other, and we created default nominal for pension control. Click OK. And then when we go to our bank and we go to set that one, we click match, Irish Life, it already goes to pension control. We put in our payment method here, click OK, and then if we refresh our balance sheet and we look at our pension control, is gone now because we took the money from Lola from her wages and we've paid it to Irish Life. And if you're not using the bank import, you're using miscellaneous payments. When you add your miscellaneous payment, your payee is Irish Life, your nominal is pension control.